All right, getting duration in Power Query is very easy. So with me here, I have a table that is containing record ID, the start time, and the end time. So the first thing that I'm going to do, because I want to get the duration of every record ID here. And my data, remember, is currently in Power Query. So this is my query name, and this is the data that I want to use to get the duration in hours. If you look at the data, this record one, it is started on 20th, and it ended on 21st. So it looks like all my end times are in the next day. So to get the duration in hours, then the first thing, let us confirm the data types of the start time and the end time. So I have the start time here, and I have the end time. I can choose both of them, and then I can go to transform, and then I can use this one, detect data type. So the data type that I'm expecting should be date stroke time. Date stroke time. So that seems to have worked. So the correct data type needs to be date stroke time for the duration to work. So the next thing is, for me to get the duration, I need to take the end time and then you subtract the start time. So to do that, I'm going to first highlight the end time, hold on Control or hold on Shift, then select the start time. It is very important that you start selecting with the end time first. And then I want to add a column. So I'm going to click on Add Column. After I click on Add Column, I should go to where we have time, and then I'm subtracting this. So for those of us who are able to interpret the M query that is generated, now you can see this is the M query. It is saying subtraction, and we are taking the end time minus the start time, and it is giving this in form of a duration. So whatever we have here, let me rename this to duration. So this duration now is in form of time. So you can see this is 1 day, 1 hour. So instead of interpreting all this duration to make sense to us, we want the duration to be in hours. So let me just have duration in hours. I'm renaming my column. So to change this to hours, I'm going to click on the column duration in hours, then go to duration. And then we're looking for total hours. If you want to convert this to total minutes, you should be able to click on total minutes. If you want to click on total days, then you should be able to click on total days. But what I want in this case is duration in total hours. So I'm going to click on total hours. And this is what I have. So for record one, this person has got total hours of 25.5. And then the second person is 25.75. This is how you can be able to get duration given the start time and end time in Power Query.